Hello, Namaste, Annyonghaseyo Kpop fans. Welcome to our channel Indian UNNie. Today's video is about Yue Hua Black Tiger Global Audition in Yue Hua Entertainment Company. In this video, I will tell you some important points about the company, audition qualifications, audition category, audition period, required attachment files, awards and benefits, audition procedure, how to apply in the audition with me and know what you need to write in the application, and results announcement. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to know more about the upcoming Kpop audition information and tips. You can also follow me on Instagram for my upcoming videos update and some more information that I am unable to share on YouTube. The ID link is in description box. Now let's start our video. Note, this audition is in Yue Hua Entertainment Company, which is a home company of very famous girl group Everglow. Everglow is getting fame day by day and their song Dun Dun is very famous. As far as I know, this company is good enough because I have not listened many bad rumors about this company. This company is famous for their trainees because their trainees are very skilled, best in dance and flexible and filled with beauty. I will tell more about this company in my another video when I will make its always open audition. Today I am telling about this company in short because it has short audition period and you need to prepare a designated song for this audition. So you need time to prepare for it. So now let's see audition details. Audition qualifications. Any male or female from any country born in or between 2004 to 2009 can apply in this audition. Audition category. In this audition, you can apply for one or two categories from vocal and dance. There are only these two categories. Audition period. From 19th January 2022 till 16th February 2022 11:59 PM KST. So this audition has already been started and its last date is 16th February and please apply before 11:59 PM KST. And don't forget to change this Korean Standard Time in your own country's time zone. Like Indians need to change KST into IST. That means according to Indian Standard Times, Indians need to apply before 16th February 8:29 PM IST. You can easily change your country's time zone by using Google. Required attachment files. Please upload a free pose photo that shows your face well without filters, app retouch. No mask worn. If you are applying for vocal category, then please perform one of these songs. A Reunited World by Girls' Generation or Imagination Plus by MSG Wannabe. If you are applying for dance category, then please perform one of these songs. Fista by IZ*ONE or Tiger by Super M. Please upload a video of a song designated for vocal or dance. Note points. Record your video in a bright place. Don't wear mask. Performing on designated song is required. Show your full body clearly in dance video. If you are applying for both vocal and dance video, then please upload one video for each category. You cannot perform on any other song. Awards and benefits. Final round winners will get chance to be a trainee in Yue Hua Entertainment Company. Audition procedure. First round will be online round, in second round there will be Zoom 1-1 round, and in third round final audition and meeting in Korea. Please watch these two videos to know how company will contact you for second round, what will happen in Zoom 1-1 audition and what you need to prepare for your Zoom 1-1 audition. These videos links are in description box. How to apply. Click on the application form link in description box and fill out the Google application form and attach required files and submit your form. Now let's see how to fill out application form. This is the form. This form is in Korean and you can't directly translate it. I am telling you what you need to write or choose in every column, so please listen my words carefully and don't skip any part. Here write your full name, choose your gender, choose your birth year, write your mobile number with country code like India's country code is 91, write your email address, here write which one social media ID you are providing and then write your ID name. Write your height in centimeters and weight in kilograms. Here attach your one picture. Here attach your vocal or dance video just like we attached our pictures. If you are applying for 2 categories, then attach your another talent video here. In any situation, if you are unable to attach your picture or video in upper columns, then in this URL column, you can attach your YouTube video link, but make sure to change its setting and make your video public or unlisted so that company can see your video. Please note that attaching YouTube video link is not required. You can leave this column empty. Now tap on submit button. If you see this page, that means you have successfully applied for this audition. All the best. Please remember that after submitting this form, you will not get any confirmation email like you have successfully submitted your form and all. So please don't hope for that type of email. Results announcement. Only past candidates will be contacted individually via email or contact number within 1 to 2 months after 16th February. Today's comment winner is Rishika. Thank you Rishika for your trust and support. Please keep supporting and loving our channel. Lots of love to you and for all my viewers. In my next video, I will announce the next comment winner from this video. So please don't forget to comment and show your love. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you a lot. If yes, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and support to our channel. I will meet you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, love yourself and be happy.